this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to customize your quote templates in Zoho Books to reflect your brand and make your quotes look professional. Start by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner of your Zoho Books dashboard to access settings. Then go to the customization section and select PDF templates. Here you can manage templates for invoices, quotes, and other documents. Next, choose the quotes module to ensure you are editing the right type of document. Pick the template you want to modify and click Edit. You can update fields like your logo, address, and other business details to match your branding. Once you've made your changes, click Preview to see how your quote will appear. If everything looks good, hit Save to apply your customizations. And that's it. Every quote you send will now carry your personalized style, making your communication professional and on brand. Thanks for watching and happy quoting!